Okay guys, it's finally happening now. I'm finally getting some work on the square. All the paths on the flower pots around the tree being renewed. I've actually started work on it now, as I thought I would this week. I've had it fenced off since the end of last week. I'm going to renew all this when you come back over. Take it the bars and the nightclubs won't be open until then. I don't know how long it's going to take them to do this, but it's pretty slow progress at the moment. They are going to extend the bars and nightclub area down to by Chaplin's. I think they're going to tile all that over as well. So it's really nice when they're finished. Just outside Sinatra's now. Just waiting for a couple of people to come past. Didn't leave you much room to walk up this end. Take it, what they're going to do is dig the one side up, do it, and then dig the other side up afterwards. Have to see how it goes, guys. We'll keep an eye on this for you though. See how things are going. Probably do a weekly roundup on this one. Just see how far they've got in the week. And we'll have a look at it. Soon to fence this area off. They haven't started on this bit yet. It's a bit further down than they've started on. So we're going to have a look at that in a minute when I get down there. Quite narrow walking down here now, keeping away from people as we're supposed to. In the 2 metre distance. Yeah, nothing possible I think. Okay, if we can get across the road here. There we go boys. Yeah, quite a few bit of traffic coming here. There you go, we're already across now. And we're champions now. Cafe BENIDORM. I take it this is the first area they're going to do. Get all sorted out, ready. They can out part of the nightclub strip then. And here they are at work, right at the bottom here. What they're doing is trying to fetch all the paving off, all the flower pots out, tree pots, I don't know if that's what you call them, but where the trees are. It's starting to work now. Although they started yesterday or today. A bit of a mess. Need a few skips in there now. Keep the work going. We've got a nice job of coming in with the digger, moving all that paving off. It's going to take them a little while doing this, so they can get a look a lot better when they've done it. It's getting to look a bit dated. As you can see, they're taking the whole plant pots out. That's what they've done so far. I'll just show you this over the road now, because we think this is going to be paved off the same, and this road's going to get blocked. I'm absolutely sure about this. We'll see how this bit goes. Keep an eye on it. So I don't know when the bars are going to be opening back up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to buy me a beer, my PayPal link's below. Always appreciate a beer. Helps keep the channel going as well. So moving down, you can see they're digging the road up there. They're trying to find out what's under it and how easy it's going to be to pave it over. I'm not absolutely sure this is what they're doing, but this looks like what they're going to do. But they're extending it, so that's the only place they can extend it really. So we'll keep an eye on it and see what's happening. See, we've just got the one digger in there at the moment. No, just doing some experiments, find out what they got to work with. These chaplains. There's always a lot of people around chaplains and splitting out onto the streets, so probably better and safer if it's all paved off. Keeping on it, see what happens anyway. You up to date on it? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more from BENIDORM, have a look at the video that's coming up on the screen now. One of my videos. I've got a video on there what's happening to the ambassador at the moment. An update on what it was going to look like when it's finished. So have a look at that if you haven't seen that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.